Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of the nearby nation, welcome to my tutorial on OBS or Open Broadcaster software. So, you want to record to YouTube. You want to have Minecraft videos. You don't want to have to pay for the software side. You have a mic, or at least a decent mic, and you want to start, right? You don't want to have to pay for a renderer or anything like that. So, this is a tutorial for you. This is what you're going to want to do. So, obsproject.com is where you need to go, link in the description, to download OBS or Open Broadcaster software. Now, what this does is it allows you to record game capture, your screen capture, it allows you to record a Windows capture, pretty much any type of capture you want to do on your PC. So, we're going to go ahead and go through the movement of this. Okay, so I'm going to close this down. And as you can see, we have FTB Unleashed opened up, as well as we have Open Broadcaster software opened up, right? I'm going to stop that right now. This is exactly what it looks like when you first start it up. You don't have any of this right here. This is all for my live streaming. But so these will be empty. The scene will be empty. The source should be empty. And so this is exactly how you get it started up. You can go to Preview Stream, which will show you the stream. For example, if I throw this stuff up here, right there. Hi everyone, how's it going? Hi. So basically, if you throw this stuff up there, it will show you exactly what you can add to your software. Now you can see my screen's a little outstretched. That's because my Minecraft is not full screen. If I throw my Minecraft full screen, you can see right here the Open Broadcast system will actually recognize it, and it will resize to the format needed. So as you can see, it'll resize back. So it all depends on your screen real estate and what you have set up. I usually go with my FTB Unleashed or my Minecraft full screen, so then I have my OBS on another monitor. But you can have them on both monitors if you want, you know, the same monitor, and record from one and likewise. So now we're going to go ahead and get started with a new format. So we're going to close all that out so you can't see any of that, and we are going to go to right click, add, we're going to go to game capture, and I'm just going to call this Minecraft so you guys know what it is. And your applications right here will show you exactly what applications you have opened up. So you can actually open up all of these. A lot of these are probably Windows, so like Chrome, you would need the Windows mode, not game capture. But we're doing FTB Unleashed, which is Java, so it will actually capture this. So all we have to do is that. We'll stretch image to the screen and click OK. So as you can see right now, it is now fully stretched. There's a little bit of black bars. That's probably due to the size of my window. If I mess with that, it should mess with that. Again, it all depends on what you're recording at. I have my OBS set to record at, I think it's 720p, so that's the resolution that it's set to. So you can mess with that and fiddle around with that to get rid of the black bars if you want to. And also, if you go to the Edit Scenes button, if you hit Shift, you can resize all you want. Okay? If you just try to resize, it'll resize a format, you know, in locked position, so you can only resize it according to what you want it to be resized to. So there you go right there. That's really cool to use. If you wanted to add a video capture, for instance, my camera, you just go to video capture device and click OK, and we're going to add our camera right there. And if you want to Chrome key it, which is what I'm doing right here, we just need to choose a form of green. And then we can fiddle with that here in a second. Oh, okay, actually, if I remove that one. No, I'm sorry, not remove that one. We'll open this one up right here. And you guys can't see it because this is opened up. But if you right click and go to properties, there's my Chrome key right there. It's pretty much easy to set up. I'm not using the audio from my mic or from my camera, so definitely never do that. Crappy camera anyways when it comes to the mic. But anyways, so that's exactly how that's set up. We can get rid of that now. So we're gonna get down to OBS, how to use it. So we already have Minecraft in the background. We can go to edit scenes to get the green bars off, and we are going to stop streaming. We're gonna go to settings, and we're gonna go to broadcast settings. Now we're in file output only because not live stream. We're going file output only, and we're going to record it there. So I have that folder currently opened up over here. So awesome, right? So there you go. And now we want to go to encodings after we save that. Quality balance to 10, max bitrate to 5000. That's probably all you're going to need right there. Should work just fine for you, everything else. Really don't need to mess with everything else except for the audio maybe. You want your desktop audio device I'm using my headphones right now, so that's what I'm doing right there. And my microphone device, Samson CO1U condenser microphone. So that's what I'm talking through right now. You can also have it in push-to-talk mode if you'd like. I don't actually use that, so that's pretty much it. So now we can actually open up, we can start streaming. And what that's going to do is it's going to record to a file over here. You can see right there is the file it's recording to. So I can go to single player. And by the way, you can see right now that I'm moving this around on top of my Minecraft screen, and it did not, by any way, shape, or form, show up at all in the OBS software. So that's awesome, right? So there we go. We're going to open that up, as well as if you close your FTB, like minimize it, it'll still show the full FTB. So you don't actually have to worry about fumbling with windows on top of windows and having them see that or anything like that. So we're just going to move around. As you can see, we are recording right now. It records in a really compact codec. So I think 1 minute is usually around 18 megabytes. So that could be directly uploaded to YouTube, no problem. I do believe. I have done it before, so, you know, it might have a problem with file format. I doubt it, though. I really do doubt it. I think it works just fine. So I haven't done a 15-minute video, but if 18 minutes, or if 1 minute is 18 megabytes, a 15-minute video would probably not be more than 200 to 300 megabytes. So that's generally what mine are anyways with Camtasia, so I wouldn't worry about that. You should be able to upload it directly to YouTube, no problem. So yeah, now we're recording. You can see a little bit of frame rate drop due to the fact that I'm recording with Camtasia as well as recording with OBS right now. But yeah, you can just record to OBS just like that. As you can see, I'm talking through it, and that's pretty much it, guys. That is pretty much it. You can add video sources on top of it. If you wanted, you can get fancy like I did, and let's go ahead and show you that we can add, for instance, I got it a little fancy here. There's a lot of stuff that you can add. For instance, if you're live streaming, you can add the top donator, recent donator, all-time donator, now playing. These are all skins that I put over top that I made myself. So it's really easy just to add a file and throw in there. And also you can get a nice little Winamp plugin that will show any songs that are playing with Winamp right down here in a text file that will be outputted. If you're using text files, you can go right here. All you have to do is go to the text file right here, and it will update automatically depending on the program that you're using. For instance, I was using Donation Tracker for that to update automatically for that file. As well as for Winamp, there is one that will update directly to that file. As well as there's something cool, there's a timer that you can add that I have on my starting screen right here, and it's used with another program called Snaz, and we can start that right there. As you can see right there, it's counting down to the next live stream. Now this is counting down in only minutes and seconds. It's a few hours away, so no worries there. But yeah, that's a cool timer that you can add. It's called Snaz. You can get that in the OBS. I believe the forums has it for the plugin, so that's really cool too. If you wanted a timer for anything, like for instance you're playing games and you want a timer in the side corner, that's exactly what you can do for that right there. But pretty much that is exactly what you need to do in order to get OBS working. So I'm going to stop this right now, and then I'll come over here and we'll open up the file that I just recorded to. Okay, so you just heard me talking through that. Good audio quality. You can see right here the video quality is pretty superb. It works pretty well. And as you can see, my face down in the corner. But yeah, that's exactly how it works, guys. It's very simple. As you can see, this was made for full screen mode for me with Minecraft. So if I look through here, you can see that, you know, you can't see the full Minecraft. Again, you have to resize your windows accordingly to the size that you want. It's going to record to a file over here. Awesome beard over there. But yeah, that's exactly how you use it, guys. It's really simple, really easy to do, and you're not going to have any problems if you're using OBS to record to YouTube. Now, it's a really great solution for anyone who wants to get started out and doesn't want to have to pay for the software side. Again, you're really going to need a good mic in order for people to really like your stuff, or else they'll just run away. So remember that. We'll see you guys in the next video. I hope this has helped you out in some way, some manner, some form. If it has, click the like that button down below, blah, 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 blah. And, yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone!